everybody. We are out here on the course. A little chilly, not too bad. It is November. It should warm up pretty good. The course is looking pretty fun. Should be fairly quick, especially that finish. There's like no cone, so it'll be wide open. So this is not quite the last event for this club. We still got one other one in December, or a 2-day one in December, I should say. But this one is crucial for Ashley for her points. She needs to do a good showing for this one to try to keep that first to second place in ladies that she's in. For me, I'm still fighting for that second place in cam, or provisional class, I guess. So let's see how we do. Run was just you know, warming up the tires. About to start our second run. We'll see if we can pick up a little bit of time. I know there's guys that are running in the 36s right now in my class, so I think we'll need to step her up. Coming out of that finish, trying to pick up some time. Need to slow down that center section.
I can do that.
Yeah. So, going a little too hot into that first right-hander coming out of the gate. Getting a lot of understeer going on, so I just need to slow down. I need to probably tap the brakes there.
Alright, this is run 2. The last run I got a 39.5, which I'm pretty happy for my first time out, but obviously wanting to cut some time down.
gosh.
I forget to breathe sometimes.
That was fun as hell. Oh my god.
Thanks. That felt pretty good, except for got a little swirly.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. That
You're
was so
welcome.
fun.
How'd I do?
39.2.
Dang. Didn't cut any time, but it was fun.
Holy shit. That was amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad you had a good time.
Don't spin.
Right. Thanks.
Oh, that could have helped on the tire, though.
I know. Probably needed it. Run number 3, so won't spin. I need to brake going into that first right-hander. See what we can do on this one. That was a good run. Thank you, sir. 36.4. 36.4. There we go. Now we are talking. So, see if we can drop it down from there. Good run.
Alright, we're going into run 3. I cut down 1/10 of a second last run, so not exactly what I was looking for, but it's getting better, so I'm hoping to get into the 38s this run. We'll have to see how it goes.
Got this.
What?
Yes!
Yes!
Woo! I told you got
Oh! That was surprising! It didn't feel like
it.
it.
Fantastic.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, man.
Heck yeah. Well, I might be able to get a 37.
That's awesome. Thank
Clean
you for
it
the
up a
ride.
little bit. Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's so exciting. Yes.
All right. Very good, but the car is working good. Thank you. 36.3, so that's another 0.1 second off. So there's still time out there. There's people in the 35s. There's 36 zeros. So that run filt's still a little bit sloppy, so I just need to kind of clean it up, I think. and then we can maybe drop off just a little bit more time. I don't know what position I'm in, but I think it's pretty good. Run, had a little bit of GoPro issues last one, so I didn't really get to do any talking too much, but it was a 36.3, which was really good, so we'll see if I can drop just a little bit more time off. But yeah, going in, braking early into that first right-hander has helped getting back on the power, carrying speed through the sweeper, finishing strong. So last run, see if we can drop any more, a little bit of time off. Faster, but that was at least fun. So put on a good show, that's what they say, right?
Your tires are stuck, you would have been smoking
I know,
fast.
right?
Dang.
So yeah, that was a 36.9, kind of as expected, but it was at least a lot of fun on that one.
Alright, I'm on the 5th and final run. That last run, I was a tiny bit slower. I got a 38.8, but I mean, it's consistently good. I'm gonna go for it and hopefully drive something fast and smooth and put a 37 up. Hey.
Hi.
Another race.
Yep. Almost to the end of the season. So this is another event in November. So a little bit chilly, but the weather turned out quite nice. But we still did use some tire blankets on the car to try to keep the tires nice and warm. I really liked the course. This course was a lot of fun. It was open, simple, but it had some tight elements that it actually took me, I think until my third run to actually like properly brake and get the car turned instead of like oversteer or understeering crazy into that turn. But it was a lot of fun. As far as results,
Let's talk about yours,
Yeah, okay.
because
Yeah.
I was doing so good all day until the last second.
Yeah, so for mine, it was running in the provisional class, so that's all of the cam cars and the XS cars. So I think I finished 4th overall out of those cars, behind some other cam cars. I think the cam cars are pretty much the ones that lead that class. I mean, we kind of have a better packs than the rest of the class, but yeah, the GT350R, the Camaros, they're super quick, but not too bad. I'm happy with my run. It could have been, a little bit better, but I was really happy with the run, and it wasn't far off from the other times. Ashley's, I think there's only 2 or 3 ladies.
Three. Me and the other 2 ladies.
So yeah, there's 3. There's 3 ladies running in her class. She had first place all the way up until the last run. She had first place at one point by 0.02 seconds, another time by 0.2 seconds, but then I think ended up losing it by 0.2 seconds on the very last run. So, but finished second, which is still very good. But the battle for ladies class is really tight. It's going to come down. We got 2 more events with this club, so it's going to come down to those last 2 events to see who comes out on top for the ladies class. Ashley still has a chance to be first place in that class, so we're going to push on these next events and see if we can get there. But overall,
I had my best driving that day, I thought.
Yeah.
Like, I was very aggressive. I was hard on the throttle, like good on the braking.
Yeah, you ran
really good. So I'm ready for the next 2 events. I really want to see if I can push and get first.
Yep. Yeah. But overall, it's a really good battle. It's really fun. Seeing
fun and frustrating. But fun.
But that's how racing goes.
Yeah.
Fun and frustrating.
Yes. It'll be a nail biter.
Yep. So stay tuned for those last 2 events. It's going to be a double header, but we'll break it out into probably 2 videos for the 2 days. So stay tuned for that coming up. And as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Later.